Hey, I have a really random tip for thick brow pencils. If you've seen these guys, this one's from About Face. I love this. I fell in love with it immediately. Like, it's such a great formula. But I've always kind of avoided these like thick brow pencils. This is what I'm talking about. This shape right here, where it's like, I don't know if you can see it. This is the kind of brow pencil that I'm talking about, where it's like, it's thicker at the bottom and then it gets like more, just like a little more narrow and skinny at the top. This kind of thing, but it's like thicker overall. So when you first get it, it's like this perfect shape. It's got this nice sharp edge and you can kind of like use it to fill your brows like this, or you can turn it and use that like tiny edge to fill in individual brow hairs. But then this kind of happens where it just sort of like rounds out and you just totally lose the shape. So my tip is what you want to do is kind of like roll it down so that you have just the very top of the edge. See right there? It lines up, okay? And then I always keep a paper towel nearby. And what I'll do is just make sure that I'm like holding it like this so that I'm keeping it like nice and taut. And then I'm just gonna take my paper towel and I'm gonna rub the tip against the paper towel really hard. Basically just like wear that away. And then voila. See? Nice and sharp, once again. You can use that like sharp edge, you can use the tip. Super random, really quick, but a lot of people might not know that, and that's how I do it. So I can keep using it the way that it was when I first got it. In fact, you can do this with pretty much any eyeliner. If you have like an eyeliner or a lip liner and you just don't have your, like especially if they're gel. Like, okay, for example, some of my favorite colorful eyeliners are the cream gel liners by ColourPop, but they don't have a sharpener in the butt, which is like so annoying. This thing just like pops off, it's nothing. So what you can do is like, instead of just using it as like rounded, you can do the exact same thing, but you just wanna like do it on an angle. Here, let me zoom you in so you can see. So I'll just kind of like, you don't wanna roll it up too much because you can break it, but you just wanna like roll it against the paper towel and like twist it at an angle. Back and forth. It's better if you put it on a table, you have more leverage, just saying. You can get a nice sharp tip. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna call this video. It's a super random tip, but I don't know, if you didn't know it, pretty helpful. So that's it. I have no way of ending this video. I'm just gonna go, bye.